Do you suffer from erectile dysfunction or low sex drive? Studies have shown that about 45% of women and 30% men self-reported low libido effects. If you want to improve your relationship and have a better sex life, stick around to find out 5 natural aphrodisiacs that will change your life. Watch until the end of the video for a DIY tonic wine recipe. Number 5. Damiana. Since the time of the ancient Aztecs and Mayans, Damiana has been used as a natural aphrodisiac. Because of the relaxing and stimulating effects, Damiana has also been used to treat anxiety and depression. This herb is known to improve blood flow to the genitals, which helps with sexual arousal. If you are a male and have trouble sustaining an erection, this can be a sign of impotence. To help improve your sex life, steep 1 teaspoon Damiana leaves in 1/2 cup to 1 cup of water to make a healing tea. Or take 1 teaspoon of Damiana extract 1 to 2 times daily. Number 4. Ginkgo biloba. The leaves of this tree are often made into capsules, teas, and tinctures. Tea made from ginkgo leaves is said to be very pleasant to drink. Drink this tea a few times a day to increase blood circulation in the body. A significant amount of blood is needed for the penis to become erect. Similar to Damiana, ginkgo leaf is known to help improve blood flow and is anti-inflammatory. The effectiveness of ginkgo biloba works best when combined with other herbs like ginseng or horny goatweed. If you want to improve your mental and physical health to live a better life and be happier, subscribe for more natural remedies and health tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded to the channel. Number 3. Maca root. A Peruvian native, maca root is often used as an ingredient in desserts, smoothies, and syrups. Did you know that maca root may help with the production of sex hormones? If you suffer from erectile dysfunction or low sex drive, you may want to consider maca as a natural aphrodisiac. For men, consuming maca root can improve endurance during sex, improve ejaculation frequency, and cause more energetic erections. For women, maca helps with menstrual pain. Maca root contains glucosinolates, which help relieve psychological stress and inflammation. The antimicrobial and antioxidant properties of maca root are beneficial for overall sexual health. Number 2. Yohimbe. The evergreen yohimbe tree is native to Central and Western Africa. Yohimbine, a substance extracted from the yohimbe tree, is used in drugs to treat erectile dysfunction. The bark has a similar effect as a component used to make Viagra. For many years, men in Africa used yohimbe bark as a sexual stimulant to boost their sex drive. However, there are many precautions to consider before ingesting yohimbe bark. Do not consume yohimbe bark if you suffer from bipolar depression, drink alcohol, if you are pregnant, if you are prone to heart disease, high blood pressure, or hypertension, or if you have kidney problems. It is also recommended to reduce caffeine consumption when ingesting yohimbe bark. Number 1. Ginseng. Ginseng is a powerful healing root often grown in China, Korea, and America. It is great as a supplement to use for stress relief and helps to enhance sexual performance. Dealing with erection problems can cause problems in relationships. Did you know that ginseng may help increase testosterone levels and boost sexual energy? Ginseng is an adaptogenic, increases concentration, strengthens the immune system, and replenishes vital energy. For a more stimulating experience, try using red ginseng. To make your own ginseng tonic wine, you will need 1 ounce or 25 grams powdered ginseng, 4 dried apricots, 8 blanched almonds, 4 cardamom pods, and 2 pints or 1 liter red or white wine. Combine all ingredients in a large glass mason jar. Let stand for 2 weeks and strain. Drink a small glass, about 1/4 cup daily. Do not take large doses in conjunction with other stimulants. As always, consult with your doctor before trying any herbal remedies or supplements.